Hi there. In this video, we will go through the process of creating a wholesale invoice. To create an invoice, we will need to access the wholesale account module. To do so, take the following steps. First, open your left navigation menu. Click on the Wholesale Accounts menu option. Then choose the wholesale account. For the purpose of this demo, we will be operating in the first available wholesale account. After selecting the wholesale account, click on the Invoices tab. Click the Add Invoice button. In the Open Context menu, we can see that there are three ways to create the invoice from. We can either do this from the sales order, from the memo, or from the stock. For the purpose of this demo, we will create the invoice from the sales order. We have already prepared the sales order beforehand. To proceed, press the Add Invoice from Sales Order button. In the Open dialog, we have to choose the sales order to invoice. You can do so by clicking on the needed one. Next, you will be shown an Invoice Details section where you can edit miscellaneous details. We're going to leave everything at default for the purpose of this demo. Continue by pressing Next in the top right corner. In this section, we need to select the products from the sales order that we want to invoice. Items can be selected by scanning them with a barcode scanner, manually selecting in the list, or uploaded via spreadsheet using the Select from Excel or CSV button. Once you are happy with your selection, you may click Next. In this section, we can make final edits to the invoice. Those include adding description, changing the unit price, applying the discounts, and changing the quantity of items. Once you are happy with your selection, you may click Complete. After this, you will see What's Next Action Wizard. The first option will allow you to send a newly created invoice by email. Note that the default recipient will be the primary contact of the wholesale account. The second option generates a PDF of the invoice for you to view in the tab. The third option is called Create Shipments, and it allows you to go to the Create Shipment section where you can configure the shipment for the newly invoiced items. The last option allows you to start creating a new invoice right away. Once you are happy with all your actions in this wizard, press Continue. Now refresh the grid to see the newly created invoice on top of the grid. That's it for creating the wholesale invoice. Thanks for watching.